It's me Nadia, your online tutor. Welcome back to my channel Solve It Right. Today we are going to solve the part 2 of last session. So let's start. The question is, it's ninth question. The question is the value of 15 root 15 divided by 3 root 5 is. We have to find the value of this. So let's find 15 root 15 divided by 3 root 5 is equal to 15 and here root 15. So root 15, how we can expand root 15? Root 15, the factors of 15 is 3 and 5, right? So we can write root 15 is equal to root of 3 into 5. That's how we can write this. We know root of a b is equal to root a into root b. So like this we can express it as root 3 into root 5. So here what we got, 15 root 15 by 3 root 5 is equal to 15 into root of 3 into 5 by 3 root 5 is equal to 15 into root 3 into 5 is equal to root 3 into root 5, right, by 3 root 5. So here we have the common common number root 5 and root 5. So we can cut these two numbers. So we can cut these two numbers, root 5, root 5. So this is equal to 15 root 3 by 3. Now 15 again 3 into 5. It can be expressed as 3 into 5, right? So this is equal to 3 into 5 root 3 by 3. So again we can cut 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. It is the common number, right? So we can cut 3 and 3 here. So what's the remaining answer? 5 root 3. So answer is 5 root 3. So this is the answer. You got it? Is if ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. If AB is produced to E such that ED bisects BC at O, then which of the following is correct? So we have given ABCD is a parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? Its opposite sides are parallel and equal, right? So then again we have, if AB is produced to E, means AB is extended to E such that, what is the condition? ED bisects BC. ED bisects BC at a point O. Then we have to find which of the following statements is true. Okay. So we can find. Here we know ED is the bisect. ED bisects BC. So what you have got, what we got, if ED bisects BC, we know what this BO is equal to OC, right? If ED is a bisector, we know the half BO and CO, this two length is equal, right? Then angle BOC angle BOE is equal to angle DOC, right? How we got? Because in a parallelogram, because this is a parallelogram and ED bisects BC, so these vertical opposite angles are equal, right? If two lines like this, if this is a parallelogram and if an line, there is a transversal, right? Then what we know, vertical opposite angles are equal. This angle equal, this angle equal, right? Like that, we have what we got, this angle BOE is equal to angle DOC, and so we have got one side is equal and one angle is equal. So by AS theorem, angle side theorem, we got angle BEO is equal to angle CDO, right? By AS theorem we got what? Angle BEO is equal to angle CDO. So what we got? These two triangles are congruent. By AS theorem we got these two triangles are congruent. Okay. So triangle DCO is congruent to triangle BEO. Now again, if these two triangles are congruent, we know this each side is equal to, each side of first triangle is equal to each side of another triangle, second triangle. So from this we got here DC is equal to, what is the similar side of DC? BE, right? DC is equal to BE, then CO is equal to BO, right? Then DO is equal to OE or EO. DO is equal to OE. What does this imply? This is if DC is equal to BE, then CD is equal to BE. That is, we have to find this, we have to reach to this answer. That's why we write alternately. CD, DC, CD, two both are same. CD is equal to BE, and again CD is equal to AB. From where it got? Because CD is equal to AB, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So we got CD is equal to BE and CD is equal to AB. So from this what we got? CD is both equal to, CD is both equal to BE and AB. So what it implies? CD is equal to BE and AB means BE and AB is equal, right? So here we got BE is equal to AB, or we can write alternately AB is equal to BE. So this is the answer. I think you got. If any doubt, you can comment down. Okay, I will clear you. I will make it clear for you. Okay. Next question is, an irrational number between 1/7 and 2/7 is what? Okay, we have to find an irrational number between 1/7 and 2/7. Before that, we have to know what is an irrational number. What is an irrational number? Irrational number cannot be expressed as the ratio of real numbers, right? It cannot be expressed as the ratio of real numbers means cannot be expressed as a fraction. Irrational number cannot be expressed as a fraction. Rational number can be expressed, but irrational number cannot be expressed, where a and b are real numbers. But it can be non-recurring, non-continuous decimal, right? So, if a and b are two rational numbers, then an irrational number between a and b be root of a into b. So irrational number will be like this form, root of a into b. Okay. So here an irrational number between 1 by 7 is root of a into b. That is here root of 1 by 7 into 2 by 7. Okay. So what is the option? This one is the option. Now next question is, how many linear equations in x and y can be satisfied by x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2? So first we have to know what is the linear equation. Linear equation in x and y is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. So in this equation we have to put x and y values. Here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So we have to substitute the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 in this equation. We get a into 1 plus b into 2 plus c is equal to 0. That is into 1 a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Here a, b, c are any real numbers. It can be rational or irrational. So if we put any rational or irrational numbers in this equation, we will get it's equal to 0. So what from this what we have understand? So here we will get infinitely many solutions, right? We can substitute more values of a and b and a, b and c, and we satisfied. If we put x equal to 1 and y equal to 2, we will get infinitely many solutions. We can put any value of a, b and c in this solution and we will get the answer is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the option? Here option is infinitely many. We got the answer. Next question is, in a figure, if OP parallel to RS and angle OPQ is equal to 110 degree and angle QRS equal to 130 degree, then angle PQR is equal to what? We have to find angle PQR. What is angle PQR? We have to find this angle, right? So here what they say, OP parallel to RS given and angle OPQ is equal to 110 degree, angle QRS, this angle is equal to 130 degree. Then we have to find angle PQR. Okay, this not given, this I draw this line because we know given OP parallel to RS. So we know if a transversal, what is spelling mistake? Transversal intersect. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then the opposite interior angles are equal. If there are two parallel lines, we know there are two parallel lines and a transversal cuts two parallel lines. We studied too many theorems related to that. What are they? One is that here if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, this is two parallel lines, this will go extend like this. So if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then opposite interior angles are equal. Opposite interior angles. So here angle PXR, opposite interior angle means this one, angle PXR is equal to 130 degree, because given angle SRQ, that is QRS, is equal to 130 degree. Okay, so what is the opposite interior angle of angle QRS? That is this angle, angle PX. We have marked this if this transversal meets the line QR, so we mark here X. It's not given, we just given a mark. Okay, and so what we say, yeah, given angle QRS is equal to 130 degree. So by this theorem we can write angle PXR is equal to 130 degree. Okay, because this is a transversal, so opposite interior angle. So we can mark this, we got this as PXR. This angle we can mark 130 degree, right? This is a transversal opposite interior angle. You got. Also this PX, this dotted line not given in the picture, this I give this dotted line now and mark here X. Okay, so if you got same type of picture, you want to connect here and give a name to show this is a transversal, right? So then, so PX is a ray on the line PQ. PX is a ray on the line PQ. Okay, this PX is a ray, because you know, you can see here this is a ray, this PX is a ray, so this is a ray on the line PQ, correct? So what we got, so the linear pair, if this is a ray, what we got, this is a linear pair. You studied before, the linear pair of angles, the sum of the linear pair of the angles must be 180 degree. So from here we got two angles, angle PQX and angle PXR. PXQ plus PXR. These are the two linear angles, linear pair. These sum of these two angles are 180 degree. So angle PXQ plus angle PXR is equal to 180 degree. Now we have got PXR is equal to 130 degree. So we can substitute the value of PXR here, 130 degree. So what we got, that is angle PXQ plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. And we have to know angle PXQ. So we have to transpose all the values other than PXQ to right side. So what we got, angle PXQ is equal to 180 degree. We have to transpose plus 130 to left side. So this plus sign must change to negative sign. So here angle PXQ is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree is equal to 50 degree. You got? So we got angle PXQ is equal to 130 degree. Okay. But we got angle PXQ is equal to 130, sorry, not 130, 50 degree. Okay, PXQ is equal to 50 degree. Next, consider triangle PQX. Consider triangle PQX. This angle, triangle PQX. Consider this triangle, okay? Then angle OPQ is an exterior angle. In triangle PXQ, here this triangle, this is an exterior angle of triangle OPQ, right? This angle is an exterior angle of this triangle, correct? So this OPQ is equal to 110 degree. This given this angle. So there is a statement. What is that? We know that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the corresponding two opposite interior angle. What they tell? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. This is the opposite interior angles of this exterior angle. So this angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angles. By this statement, we got angle OPQ is equal to angle PQX plus angle PXQ. Okay, you got angle OPQ is equal to angle PXQ plus angle PQX. That is angle OPQ is equal to 110 degree. 110 degree is equal to angle PXQ. We got before 50 degree plus angle PQX. So from this we will find angle PQX by transposing all other numbers to the left side. We got angle PQX is equal to 110 degree plus 50 will goes to other side, then sign changes minus 50 degree, that is equal to 60 degree. So from the figure we got what? Angle PQX is equal to 60 degree. Now from the figure we know angle PQX is the same as angle PQR. Got? Angle PQX is same as angle PQR. These both angles are equal. So in the question they ask me to find angle PQR. So here what we got? Angle PQX is equal to angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. So therefore angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree is the correct answer. Okay, you got?